Hey guys, it's Hannah, and today I wanted to show you, or I guess figure out how to use these Ranger Ink Distress Oxide little ink packets. I got this in the Inky box for the August Inky box. I've seen other people use them. I've never used them myself, so I'm kind of excited to experiment with you in this video. So maybe I'll do it all wrong, but I'm going to figure out. I know there's different ways to do this as I was reading like the packaging and stuff. I also have this stencil that's also from the brand Ranger, which is the same brand as this, and this was also in the Inky box, and then they provided me with these like foam blotters. So I decided what I'm going to do is just use like a piece of scrap paper, and I was just going to take these foam things and just kind of have at it with these inks. Now these inks, from what I understand, are also water-based, and so they would blend together. You can layer them, you can spray them, you can do whatever you want, but I figured I would just test out and see what I can do with this. I'm a little nervous because I've never done this, and I have no clue what I'm doing, but okay, so this is working out good. So this is something you could do with like journaling, or if you want to create like texture in your bullet journal or scrapbooking or anything like that. That would be pretty cool. I love this color so far. It is Abandoned Coral. And so this ink looks like you can kind of layer it and get it darker or lighter or whatever you want. Now I'm going to go in with this green, which is Twisted Citron. Like I said, I might be doing this all wrong, but it's working out for me, so. And I'm just kind of going in and like even layering it and blending it, which, wow. Okay, I'm liking this. I actually really like this color. I'm not normally a person who likes the color green, but this one's like really bright, and I would actually maybe use this in my bullet journal. So I've seen people use this as backgrounds in their bullet journal. You can use it as just like artistic pages if you want. You could letter over top of it. There's a lot you could do with it. So let's just lift this up. Now look at that. I didn't do too bad of a job. And so you can actually see these colors blended pretty well together. It's nice and pigmented, super easy to do. All I did was just use this blotter that it came with. So I'm pretty impressed with this. I think it's something I'll use quite often. Let's just see. Like, it just goes on the paper so smoothly. I'm very impressed with that. Cool. So yeah, that's the inks. Super easy to use as someone who's never used these inks before. Very user friendly. You do not have to be artistic to use these. Anyone can do this, and it's great. Like I said, I bullet journal all the time, so this is something I will definitely use in my bullet journal. Very excited. I might have to pick up more of these. I know they also have a ton of other different inks. So this is something that I really enjoy about the Inky box. It allows me to use things that I've never been, just never thought of using before or never picked up, but something I've wanted to try and I've seen other people do. So if you are interested in trying out some new products, go to the link in my description box below. You can use my code to get 10% off your first box. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe.